Onowuigbo ọzọ ka nna gwakwa ị na-emekwa mistake ọzọ. Oru anyị adụchakwa oru mma, anyị adụchakwa ohu mma maka unu ada anụ Igbo ka m sụọ n'oyibo. Slave doesn't have the right mind though. Slave is like a madman. He wants to be free. Now, I hear you talking. Are you going to tell people what to do? In Finland, he goes to work. Well, Islamic revolution in Iran. Ayatollah Role Khomeini, head of the Islamic revolutionary in Iran, was in France. Osoro ndi be ha nọrọ na Tehran. Ono na France na happy button, just like Simon Ekpa. I want to give you history. Kikotakwa ihe na aba maka logic gị looks like he's good, but it's not correct. Onye isi anaghị anọ ebe foot soldier na-anọ. Oge Queen Elizabeth nọ Osobia Africa bịa colonize Africa. Ọkwa nọ na London na-enye ọda. Abịa na Africa na-ele slave, na-ebutere ya. Etu aka ọ dịkwa, Ayatollah Khomeini nọrọ na France na happy button na Iran. Pikata overthrow government of Iran o wee nata. Etu aka onye nke a si nọkwarụ na Finland na apịkwa button. Ị nọrọ ebe a na-asị ya nataba nke ga-ama afọ iche Onowuigbo. Maka na ana Igbo ihe na-eme anyị na ana Igbo bụ onye ọbụla na-ama aka. Everybody na-ama aka na laa ya na-enwe eze. Igbo nwere eze nri bụ eze Igbo. Jee nene maka Nri Kingdom. Igbo nwere eze maka unu na-asị na Igbo enwe eze na laa Igbo nwere eze. The oldest kingdom in Nigeria is Nri Kingdom, and kingdom is headed by a king. Igbo nwere eze. Anyị chịkọwara gị Igbo nwere eze. Ọsọkwa nna gwa gị bụ oru dịkwa ka onye ara. He wants to be free by any means necessary. And oru jide egbe adịghị nwekwe discussion ọkwa ihe sọrọ ya ka ọ ya na-eme. Maka ị na-ekwu onye azụ ekwuzi na nala befe ikwu ekwe Onowuigbo ga-eme ndị befe ikwu ekwe jidekwa egbe nke gị. Ada agba aka ejide ya na-ata arụ. Oru chọrọ ịdụ free jide egbe isi na ọ na-ekwu ị na-ekwu ị chọrọ ịnwụ, you want to die. Maka onye ara ka ọ wụ. Befe ikwu ekwe nke jide egbe nke gị na ọka esi eme. Ine na Angola oge ha chọrọ ịdụ free, Savimbi ji egbe nke Unita Uniones National Totale Independence Angola. Savimbi ji egbe nke wee na-ekwu mbla. Dr. Agostina Neto Movimento Popular Liberation Angola ji egbe nke wee na-ekwu. Herbert Wambo Fronte National Liberation Angola ji egbe nke wee na-ekwu. They clashed. Agbara egbe for 35 years. They clashed. So, onye ara jide egbe before you kwuru egbe for your own safety ka na-ekwu. Ijide egbe nke gị wee na-ekwu. Ebe a bụ Africa. Onye nke ọzọ jidere egbe the first thing ihe ebe ịgba ọsọ jeje weta egbe nke gị wee kwube. Ifuru Asari na o ji egbe nke wee na-ekwu. Asari can talk maka o ji egbe nke. Onowuigbo na anya na egbe na ọdụdụ ka iwee mara ka esi agba ogene. Ebe ndị oru nọcha si na ha chọrọ ịdụ free by any means necessary. Ha ebido jidebe egbe. Nwanne ha ga na-ekwukwebe tupu ikwukwe nke gị ndụkwa shọ na iji dụkwa ọfụma na iji egbe nke gị. Ọ bụrụ na ijirekwa egbe nke gị wee na-ekwu ihe sọzọ ihe mezikwa gị mama. Ịfụrụ Asari na-ekwu o ji egbe nke ya. Ọ ya eji ama nwoke. Awụra aja na social media. Ha akata rubbish. Simon Ekpa doesn't need to be in Nigeria. Simon Ekpa doesn't need to be in Biafra. Mmadụ niile anaghị ara. Ayatollah Khomeini ọ nọrọ na Iran. Oge German occupy France, Charles de Gaulle na England. Ọ nọrọ na France. Ọ nọ na England na-enye ọda ndị na-fight German na France. Nke ga-ama hapụ iche Onowuigbo. Simon Ekpa ama nọ na Biafra ga-anọ na Finland na-enye instruction maka ofili na ndị be ha oru na ha ga-adụ free. Ọ bụ na iburu oru ije na ala ndị Fulani na ndị Yoruba ndị na-eri. But ọ bụrụ ma economic and financial freedom is out of question. A slave cannot have economic and financial freedom. I want to know, where did you go to school? I'm an white man. What thoughts? School of thought came on. Oh, I don't have financial and economic freedom. There are simple things you're supposed to know. That's why when idiots come out, they develop an Igbo. Now, mom, an Igbo gabele sigana, ben nage, only open a banket, area gogi. An Igbo, mother gave booking for 1 year ago, an hour. Yakina call financial and economic freedom. Every year, what year? Every war. Here, what you war in Nigeria. You Ozu Amarana Karanate. You know, not say you be slave in Nigeria. In Arab, while I'm in America. I can try to Nigeria, say, now Yoruba, now we am be Moam, Semo, and now son of Fulani control. The whole world knows what you don't know. In Murmasana, Moabo, Bonia Yoruba, and William Bonibo can cover the two sides. Or Moam, someone that Fulani now son control. Now Islam is running the place. But you want to order Amara. Get a labor and Western mentality. Onowuigbo. If it's on Facebook, you think that Muslims think like you? You think Muslims think like you? You think that Muslims are liberal like you? They are very conservative. That's why you can't do their politics. So Onowuigbo in summary, can you get the third one? Azuka, send my message to Onowuigbo, not in Thierry. Onowuigbo, I'm making you are making 2 mistakes. Let me correct you if you were listening. Now when you my Onowuigbo no. I told you my voice message. Onowuigbo, gente. Onwe ndị Igbo na-akpọ ohu na oru. Ohu. Southern Igbo. Oru. What do I mean? Ije na Anambra State ma ọ bụ Enugu ma ọ bụ Abakaliki a ga-asị gị oru. Ije Ụmụahịa, Owerri, Aba, Port Harcourt, asị gị ohu. It means slave. Nobody under slave condition can have economic and financial freedom. That is why the first thing first, liberty. United States of America, liberty or death. Liberty or death. African countries will be subordinate to European nations, meaning lack of development because they are not free. Yoruba na-achọ igbu Igbo na Nigeria. Igbo na-achọ igbu Yoruba. Hausa na-achọ igbu Yoruba na Igbo. That is the setup. If you go to Europe, Finland is free. They used to be ruled by Russia. Before Russia ruled them, they used to be ruled by the Swedish. The Swedish butchered the whole population of Finland. Only 10%. 10% are Bonkomo and the Sweden Zochello. Zosilezo. Kagaribuha. Sweden ruled Denmark. Sweden ruled Norway. Today, the question I ask you, I couldn't challenge Biafra. The question I ask you, why didn't they have why didn't they have Federal Republic of Scandinavia? They know it's not workable. Igbo Tolino, I wish the neighbor know Igbo. Igbo Tolino, Sina, Obana, the Uso Amara, Ogene, Yana, Anya, Ebe, Anya no Dodo. Nebe, Anya no Dodo, no Magondi Maria had successful. Ibakwan and the Chilunu, United Kingdom, Ireland used to be part of them or not with them. Scotland, they may go push wada, very small number, but they are still together with certain reforms. Czechoslovakia. Negative as in number. 90% of the wives of Czechs people go to Prague today. Reference. Go to Prague today, which is the capital of Czech Republic. 90% of their wives is from Slovakia. 90% of their wife is from Slovakia. But they divided, divided peacefully because those wives the same thing. They share the tanks and everything. Police police in the Czech and whatever, Slovak, army and tank, they have a tank in the Slovak, but they separated. Now, Yugoslavia, Federal Republic of Yugoslavia. Restructure Nigeria. Once you restructure Nigeria, in Yugoslavia, all the republics are independent. Yes, Asinaga na-achị rotationally 1 year. Oloko Olu Milosevic, Ojuna Omaf. Ihe Tinubu mere na Nigeria kita. Onowuigbo, a slave cannot achieve. Oru cannot achieve economic and financial freedom. That is the mistake you are making. Without information, you know everything. A slave cannot achieve. What a slave has to do first is to be free by any means necessary. Slave has to be free by any means necessary. Nene Europe. Ogina like that one, but he is na Europe. Nene Europe. How namugwa mbo udene nekwugeri oga ona. Izele. Na Europe, he was enjoying Europeans, but most of you travel, you want to go and enjoy your life. You don't travel for a purpose. Poland, and Romania, and Germany, and France, and Italy, and Greece. Federal Republic of Europe. Onowuigbo na Odwebe. You cannot have economic and financial freedom when you are a slave. Yoruba, joy make sure you fail. Giwan achi make sure na Yoruba fail. Hausa na achi make sure you fail. You cannot progress under such circumstance. Nene UAE, Dubai Embassy, UAE, United Arab Emirates. Dubai, is a separate entity, even though it's part of UAE. Abu Dhabi is a separate entity. Oman is a separate entity. How about the same people? Just like Biafra, it will be a separate entity. Umuahia will be because Umuahia and the same culture with Anambra State. Anambra and the same culture with the Ebony State, so they have to be separate entities under the same union. Now you are free. We can discuss about economic and financial freedom. Onowu elegiji inejako. Iga swo a ofia. Iga swewu. Abuna my dialect as na swewu. Iga swo ofia. Isucho ofia. Ikombala. Ikotambala imayeji umwaya bati osisi jigeji keko. Onowuigbo kwa muntu nonu, a slave cannot have economic and financial freedom. You have to be free first by any means necessary. Unlike America, you see, liberty or death. Some of you are marrying as envy. You think Yoruba will allow you to develop all the way? KM France, Algeria, Nigeria develop uranium for 80 kobo, nearly for 200 naira, 80 cents, nearly for $200. Do you know the difference between $200 and 80 cents? Nearly 80 cents in America, you may go to one can of Coke. One can of Coke in America was $1.25. But in nearly $200, you can go to shopping. That's what French was doing in Niger. So when you come and you are just talking. Show me the blueprint. A slave cannot be economically free. That's what you don't know. So first of all, whether I'm in one Nigeria, you need to first of all fight for your own rights. On the Yoruba, but open and the Yoruba, my hand, how you want economic freedom because they are free. They are the ones suppressing every other people. Keki is an article she went go, article Abubakar. Keki is no she went go. If what here na Lagos so she's here. I'm agwagi now, but after 3 months, I'm talking on phone. She go, no, Weibo. Container came in. He said, okay, I'm coming to pick it up. I said, no, it's 3 months old, though. He has been here. We've been calling you. We send you letters. He said, I know what a letter you want. I said, rubbish. We are selling it off. Or you come and pay us 1.3 billion naira. Do mortgage. Can you marine us? Let you party na Ikeja without even allowing him to come and clear his goods. Onowuigbo, uno na travel na aju question. Ijele jelo Europe, juro zi question. Kedi emeji we Poland, we Greeks, we Italy, we UK, we Germany, we France. Okay, we got Czechoslovakia have break. Yugoslavia break here, but German, East and West Germany be together. Who be together. Unajura questions. Why is this things? Can you imagine over there? Differently. Can you when Denmark, when Norway, when Sweden, and not together, and say, book on a horn. Although we won't have about it, I so can to tell no we will voice message in Conway. I so can send my message to Onowuigbo. I call all recalcitrant idiots. Igbos have no intellectuals. Igbos they were intellectuals. It surprises me. Then when the PhD is in an Igbo, they can't reason well. An idiot is a slave. He's talking about economic and financial freedom. For a slave? I don't know we were Aranawe. Aranawe, he was slave. He's economic and financial freedom. For a slave, you're supposed to demand liberty first. Liberty or death. That's what you're supposed to demand. You do 80 million in every 3 states. Well, to 40 local government, Tina Kano, Biana on it, 5 Anambra State, 5 million, 10 local government. You know, they're you know, economic and financial freedom. Maybe the get out of here, who are your boss? Someone on a Finland. I tell a community back on. Who go the Islamic Revolution in Iran. A baker Charles the Governor, who go gonna fight the Germans in France. Like I need on Gara. Pull him down. Everybody will be on the same level. All the election, you win the Kita Aquafun and Akako, we email. In the economic and financial freedom. How many times have Yoruba ruled Nigeria? How many times have Hausa ruled Nigeria? How many times have you ruled Nigeria? You don't know Papa Nigeria. You don't know that Aziki went Namdi, don't you have the father of Nigeria? Now your Papa we bring Nigeria independence. So why are you not ruling Nigeria? Slaves, you want to land at some place and go and sit down. It is lack of intellectuality.